if you're looking to transform your backyard into a stylish and comfortable outdoor living space. The purple Leaf 12-foot by 20-foot Solarium permanent hardtop gazebo is a premium option worth considering. Designed with durability, weather resistance, and functionality in mind, this large enclosed gazebo offers a perfect place to relax, entertain guests, or enjoy outdoor activities in comfort throughout the year. One of the standout features of this gazebo is its galvanized steel double roof design. Unlike traditional fabric canopies that may wear out quickly, this solid steel roof provides long-lasting protection against harsh weather conditions. The galvanized steel material helps resist rust and corrosion, while also blocking harmful UV rays. The double-layer roof structure improves airflow and ventilation, allowing heat to escape during hot summer days while maintaining a cooler interior environment. This thoughtful design also helps the gazebo withstand strong winds and heavy rain, making it suitable for all-season outdoor use. Another impressive aspect is the sturdy aluminum frame. The frame is made from high-quality aluminum that is both lightweight and extremely durable. It features a powder-coated finish that enhances its resistance to rust, scratches, and fading. This ensures the gazebo maintains its sleek and elegant appearance even after years of outdoor exposure. With its strong construction and rectangular design, the structure feels solid and stable, providing a reliable shelter for your deck, lawn, or backyard. Convenience and accessibility are also key highlights of this gazebo. It comes equipped with double sliding doors at both the front and back, making it easy to move in and out while creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. These sliding doors add a modern touch to the design while improving airflow and accessibility. Whether you're hosting a small gathering or simply relaxing outside, the sliding doors make the space feel open and inviting. Privacy and protection are enhanced through the T-color PC screens included with the gazebo. These panels offer excellent UV protection while also shielding the interior from wind and rain. The tinted screens add a sense of privacy without completely blocking natural light, creating a calm and comfortable environment inside the gazebo. Another convenient feature is the removable design of these screens. If you prefer an open-air setup, you can easily remove them and store them neatly on the built-in shelves. In addition to the solid panels, the gazebo also includes high-quality mesh screens. These mesh screens are carefully designed with an optimal density that allows fresh air and sunlight to enter while keeping insects and bugs outside. This creates a well-ventilated and enjoyable space where you can relax without worrying about pests, especially during warm evenings. The gazebo itself is quite spacious, measuring approximately 236 inches long, 143 inches wide, and over 121 inches high. This generous size makes it ideal for a variety of outdoor setups. You can easily place a dining table, lounge furniture, or even a hot tub inside. Some users have even customized the interior with ceiling fans and LED lights to create a more luxurious outdoor retreat. Speaking of real user experiences, many customers have shared positive feedback about this gazebo. One reviewer mentioned being very pleased with the purchase and impressed by the fast delivery, receiving the first boxes within just 2 days. They installed the gazebo over their hot tub and added electrical features like a ceiling fan and LED lighting, which turned the structure into a relaxing spa-like space. They did note that the instructions could be clearer and that the parts were spread across multiple boxes, which made assembly slightly challenging. Another customer highlighted the impressive build quality of the gazebo. They purchased a slightly smaller version and assembled it with their spouse in about 2 days. According to their experience, the instructions were easy to follow and all parts were included, even extra small components. Their overall impression of the engineering and construction quality was extremely positive. It's worth noting that assembly does require time and patience. Because of its large size and heavy materials, about 751 pounds in total weight, this gazebo is best assembled with at least 2 people and may take several hours to complete. However, once installed, it becomes a permanent and attractive addition to any outdoor space. Overall, the purple Leaf 12-foot by 20-foot Solarium hardtop gazebo combines durability, style, and practical features in one impressive structure. With its weather-resistant roof, strong aluminum frame, sliding doors, and protective screens, it creates a comfortable and elegant outdoor room for relaxing, entertaining, or enjoying nature year-round. For homeowners looking to upgrade their backyard experience with a high-quality permanent gazebo, this model is definitely a standout choice.